Well, Gavin, you're 11 months old today. Still not walking, but that's okay.
Lucy?
Yeah, see? Can you show me how you go through your tunnel, Natalie? Can you go do it on the camera for me? Show me how you go through the tunnel. Or can you tell me about your orca? Where's your orca?
Yeah.
I don't know. Where is it? What is it?
A whale.
It's a whale?
Maria.
You're a whale? This is Gavin's favorite activity to do. What else do you have? What's that?
I know you eat that.
Is it an ambulance? You're gonna fall off, Gavin. Good job going through the tunnel. Your pants are a little bit big for you, buddy. You waving? Can you say mama? Careful. Can you say mama? Can you say mama? Can you say mama? You're saying mama now, and kitty, and Gigi. Say Gigi. Can you say it for us? What else can you do for being 11 months old, Gavin? You're eating all kinds of stuff now? You don't like baby food. You like big boy food. Whoa. Ouch. There. Come over here and get your chair, Gavin. Show them how you walk with your chair. He loves this chair. Plays on the chair all the time. Natalie, you playing with your ambulance? Who gave you your ambulance? You're okay, Gavin. See, you're fine. There you go. Good job. Good job. Oh, that might hurt. You're okay, though. You got some paper? That's cheating. Nice, Gavin. Good job. Gavin just stood all by himself for a few seconds. Leave him alone. Leave him alone. No, leave him alone. No, leave him alone. It's fine. He can play with the trash. Oh, buddy. So close. Go to this one. Cheater. You're fine. Go get it. It's right there. What are you eating? Did you find a Cheerio on the floor? Can you wave bye-bye, Gavin? Say bye-bye. Good job.